guys, we're back here, thanks to the coronavirus. We're out here in this lovely pavilion. Does anybody know where we are? Did you see? Do you recognize? Okay, so anyway, we're back here with 5.1.2. It's still section 5.1. And now we have this linear equation. That's what it's called. It's linear because we have only one exponent there. And we have over here, this is our x value, and we're going to have our y value. So we want to find out what ordered pair goes with this 1. If I put 1 in here, what am I going to get for my y? So how we do that is we call what I say plug and chug. This stands for our x because it's the first one. X comes before y, so this is the first one. And so I'm going to put it wherever I see an x. So I have 7. We always put a pocket for our exponents here. Not exponents. Why can't I speak? Our variables. So I put a 1 in here. And I go 7 times 1 is 7 minus y equals 2. And I'm solving for y, so I need to subtract 7. And we have negative y equals negative 5. Remember, we want a positive y, not a negative, so I need to divide by what numbers in front of that? Negative 1. Divide by negative 1, divide by negative 1. So y is equal to 5. What that means is I put this over here, and this is our ordered pair. So if I wanted to plot this, I can plot this point by going over 1 and up 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And right there would be the point is where it would go. Now if I wanted to draw this line, I would have to do at least 3 of these points. This one was just we were trying it. We were evaluating it. So I need to draw a line. You always need 3. 2 to make the line, and the third one to check to make sure you're on a line. So let's try another one. Okay, I'm erasing cameraman. Actually, it's my daughter. Emma, turning around on you, say hi. Okay, let's try another one here. Let's go with y equals 1/6 x minus 12, comma. Somebody say something? I thought I heard somebody say something. No? Okay. We're out here in public, so you never know what we're going to see or hear. All right, so here we have our problem again, and we have our ordered pair. Well, we have part of our ordered pair. Which value do we have? Do we have our x or y? Y, because it goes x, y. That's y. All right, so... Sorry. So I'm gonna I need to start over. I'm so crazy. Okay, so this is our y because it goes x. And I need to plug that in for my y. So we put the negative 10 in for y, and we're going to solve for x. Okay, so what do we need to do? In chapter 4, we learned that if we have fractions, we can get rid of fractions by multiplying everything by that least common denominator. We have a 1 here, we have a 6 here, we have a 1 here, so we can multiply everything by 6 if we wanted, or we can go ahead and move it. It depends on you. Sometimes there's a time when it calls for getting rid of that fraction. It really doesn't matter. So I'm going to add 12 to both sides here. And I have a positive 2 equals 1/6 x. Now to get rid of this, I do need to multiply both sides by it's really hard to hold this board and write. Multiply by a 6. So that means we have on this side 12 equals x. Okay? So that right there goes right back over here. Remember, ordered pairs have x and y. Okay. How are we doing on time there, cameraman? Where are we at? That was, how many problems did I do? Did I do 2 of them? I think I did 2. Okay, so we'll stop there and make another video.